Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stabilize shaky footage in CapCut for smoother videos. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select the video of yours and then add it to your timeline. Then if you found that you are not satisfied with your video and it seems a little shaky to you, then you guys can stabilize it. If you scroll like this and then you guys will find out this option stabilize. Take it to recommended most stable, then it will be applied to your video. And here you guys can find out your video. So this is how you guys can stabilize your shaky footage in CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.